welcome. This is the skirt I'll be reworking today. I actually made it about a year ago. It's pretty, but I don't find myself reaching for it very often. So I'm turning it into a matching two-piece set, a halter top and a skirt. Let's start with the skirt. I used another skirt as a guide to make sure I didn't cut it too short. I also wanted an asymmetrical hem, so I made one side longer than the other, just eyeballing it, no measurements. And once I'm happy with the length, I double fold the raw edge and hem it, and just like that, ta-da! The skirt is done. Now for the top, we'll be using the remaining fabric. I measured and cut out the front and the back piece. Then I pinned it onto the dress form to perfect the fit before trimming away the excess fabric. And once I'm happy with the shape, the fit, I joined the pieces together with a straight stitch and we'll finish off the edges with a zigzag stitch. Then again, I added another layer to the top to make it more flowy and for more movement. And then for the final step, I just cut two stripes, each 5 inches wide, attach them to the top, and then we are done. Here's the finished look.